All right, thank you very much, Justin. And the wind is still strong in some areas. Let's go now to Kamaka Pili, who's on the leeward coast tonight. Kamaka?
Well, Kathy, we learned from the National Weather Service that this is a very unique system due to its formation and its position north of the islands. Now, this is causing those strong winds, but on top of the strong winds, there are strong winds in a direction that we don't usually see. The strong winds knocked down a tree in Nanakuli over a resident's roof and was barely being held up by the house's power line. In addition, shingles from the same resident's roof were being lifted up and blown away, creating a mess of debris for the residents and their surrounding neighbors. But the winds aren't the only component to today's severe conditions. The ocean created life-threatening conditions with those large waves that could be seen from quite a distance. Here on the Waianae coast, the winds are blowing inland from the ocean, which is surprising local residents because they don't experience these conditions very often, if at all.
It's crazy. I've never seen it this bad. I mean, I've seen storms, I've been through Iniki and everything, but I've never seen it this bad. I live in a two-story right down the street, and I feel my house shake, literally.
Now, speaking with this auntie, she's saying that in the morning, this morning was beautiful, calm conditions, mostly blue skies, and out of the blue, rain falling and those winds picking up. And using her words, things were kind of crazy. Kamaka Pili, KHON2 News, reporting here in Nanakuli. Back to you, Kathy, in the studio.
All right, thank you very much, Kamaka.